down Moab Main Street.
So we are going to pick up the blue truck. Rory's behind us in a trailer, with a trailer. Gonna go get some Chinese food. The International Buffet. Dude, if I could get sponsored by the International Buffet.
All right, here we are. We're driving across the desert headed to Colorado. We were headed to Grand Junction to Alcan Springs to pick up Old Blue, who is no longer blue. But anyway, it's painted, supposedly has a lift kit on it, all this stuff done to it. Everybody's been hiding it from me and keeping it all hush hush. So it's gonna be super cool. I'm really excited. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We'll show you when we get there.
We made it. Look, me and Mike made it.
Yeah.
We got to put shocks on Blue.
Yeah.
So we get to see the truck before Rory does.
Yeah.
But anyway, check it out. We're here.
Dun dun dun. If you need springs, check these people out.
Dude, are you excited or what?
I'm excited. Shocks we got all right?
Oh yeah, we got them all on just now.
Talking about, I have to wait to see it too.
Justin really wants to see the truck.
I want a VIP tour. I want to go in there.
He hasn't seen it yet.
No, I haven't
Because he
seen it.
just showed up with Rory.
Actually, of the four of us, I'm the only one that actually hasn't seen it. Because Rory got a little bit of a spoiler alert.
I heard Luke took care of that last
I looked
night.
at it for, I want to see that!
Just throw the phone.
I made sure you couldn't tell what it was. Yeah, it turned out, you know, putting the hangers and the new springs on it was a hell of a job. Guys busted their butts getting it done, but they got it done, and we set it down last night, and it was perfect.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Are you liking it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it home.
Here it comes.
Let's do this. Yeah. Everybody rolling?
We're ready. This is that exhaust.
Yeah. Oh. That is the truck I wanted. Dude. Thanks, man. That is awesome. And that thing's blue. Dude, that is wild. Where's he hiding? Dude. Wow. Wow. Double dang. Oh, look at that. Dude, that is awesome. Oh. I told you not to make it too pretty. I'm scared to touch it.
Oh, the inside's the same.
No, that's fine. Oh my God. That is perfect.
I really like the 24-hour
Oh,
towing.
yeah. No, I love everything about that. Oh, dude, you Christ. That is awesome.
Hey, will you tell everybody that it was your color of choice to not do the neon green?
Yeah.
So everybody's like, where's the neon green? And I'm like,
No.
this is what Rory
No.
wanted.
I wanted the old school. We wanted to go green because that's our colors. But I wanted to go old school, like keep it Chevy.
I gotta admit, when you first said green, I was like, oh man, missed it. And then now I look at it, I'm like, man, it looks pretty good.
No, this is exactly what I envisioned. Like, this is awesome. The paint is the insane part. You gonna tell me some stuff? What do we got?
You know, so after we started sanding this truck down, we started noticing that this truck had obviously had a repaint, but it had a lot of filler in it.
Yeah.
A lot of body filler in it already. So what we did is if it was cracked, we got rid of it. But if it was still there, we just kind of left it there. We didn't want to add a bunch. That way, if you rub it on a rock, it's not just going to chip off of there.
Oh, yeah.
Fall apart and stuff like that. So it's just industrial paint. It's nothing crazy. It's not a $5,000 paint job. It's just a guy in his garage. The help of all my friends and stuff.
And if you want to watch the videos of how this got
Howlin' Wolf
done,
Garage,
yeah, Howlin' Wolf Garage. It's a YouTube channel.
Yeah, right there.
So how did you guys do the pinstriping? Is this all hand painted lines?
No, that's actually just the sticker.
Oh, okay.
That's stuff you get like down at the auto body shop or whatever. That is. But The hand striping is done by my buddy Chad.
Yeah.
That's all hand done, old school, like 1950, 60 style.
That is so cool.
Yeah, Chatty Cat Daddy, he's from here. He does really good work. That's what he does, is some old school pinstriping.
That's super neat. Yeah, there's all kind of cool little details.
We had to do little things. We wanted to go crazy on it.
Right.
You know, just go nuts, but we had to hold it back.
Reeler
Man.
just a little bit.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So this is from Off-Road Design, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's all our stuff. And so the deal with those is that these earlier K30 frames were actually C30 trucks.
Okay.
So they put a front axle in them, so it was a factory four-wheel drive, but in the back it was all the C truck brackets. We put our K truck brackets on it, and that made it so that you can run essentially a full K truck suspension on there, and we don't have to have the lift block in there, which, you know, we all know, especially in something that gets used hard,
Yeah.
it's just
Yeah,
a bad
and
idea.
so-
we go to a 6-inch long shackle, and that allows a little bit more suspension travel because that shackle can fall down farther and give us some more droop.
And then I see we also got overload springs on here. When we get it loaded up, this will come up and contact here, and then also back there.
That's one of the things we talked about, and kind of the reason why we stuck with the tension shackle system instead of putting one of our shackle flips on,
Yeah.
is because this let him, you know, work on using these factory bumpers or a close variation of that.
Okay.
Kind of what we decided would work the best for keeping that overload system. It's still something that would be usable.
What's going on, man?
happening, man? Looks beautiful.
Pretty cool, huh?
Heck yeah, man. I like it. What's up, brother? I think it looks awesome, man. The front end got a whole, basically, durability treatment as far as the bracketry goes.
Okay.
It's our new replacement heavy-duty main eye hanger. Basically, the factory bracket just really wasn't all that strong, and they're all obviously pretty old. So this is just a much beefier hanger. This is the guy, so, you know, it's all integrated into one. This used to be a combination of 3 different brackets here.
Right, yeah,
And
you
so
have
this is all together now.
the body mount, and then the gearbox.
Yeah, and there was like a gusset bracket that went into here, and you know,
Yeah.
early on we started having to weld all that together to stiffen it up, and you know, this is just a much easier way to get a nice clean piece in there with bolt holes that aren't walled out,
Okay.
and have something that's strong enough that, you know, you can use it and not worry about it.
It was crazy turning the garage lights on at my house, and there's blue. You know, I seen it on TV for so long, and there it was. Now getting in my garage is kind of the hardest part, and then, you know, I can't work all day long yet. I'm not healthy enough yet. When I broke my back and didn't do anything, I watched Rory, you know, that's what I did. And Rory was like, no man, let's do it, and you should record it, you should video it and do it. And I just said, let's go for it, let's try it, I can't work right now, a full-time job, so let's just do everything that we can to make this truck happen, and here it is. It took me about 5 or 6 days longer than I thought it was going to.
Hector got the truck in to us after the paint was done. We got it in, we weighed the truck and added some capacity to the springs for the gear and the tools that Rory is going to be carrying on a daily basis. We wanted to keep the truck with a factory stance so it would stand some of that weight on the rear end. So I mean, as far as these springs versus Trailmater springs, they're a much heavier spring. It's built to carry weight. It's not built to be off-road like old Trailmater is. Yet it will flex and it will ride nice when he's going down the road, no doubt about it.
The factory stuff just is not strong at all. The bolts are little 7/16 guys that always have a bunch of wear and they break. We've changed the grease groove layout, the overall size and the shoulder layout on the bushings, and we actually have a special compound for them that's a Kevlar reinforced compound to make the bushings even stronger. So it takes a much bigger bushing assembly. It goes up to a 9/16 bolt over the 7/16 factory version. Compared to the factory stuff, this makes it to where you can drive these trucks off-road and not have to worry about it.
I've been following Steven's stuff since I bought my first truck. Was a Dodge pickup with a 203. And I was like, I need a doubler in this. And yeah, and this is the first truck that I actually put a doubler in.
How do you like the doubler?
Loving it.
And the twin stick and the...
Keeps the 400 alive.
Yeah.
Right, Mike?
Oh, I know. I know.
There's a lot. I think I only took Sunday off, and that was because my old lady was probably going to get ready to leave me. Kaylee, thank you. I love you. And all my kids and family. It's been great. It's been fun, man.
This is perfect. This is exactly what I was talking about.
Yeah, that was done
Everything with that.
That was done by 55 Robert. So everybody enjoys my logo and thinks it's real cool. 55 Robert also did that, and he did the logos for this truck too. And then this is just Walmart Rust-Oleum. So when you scratch it and you beat it up, you just rattle can it back perfect.
Alrighty. Do I have to tape it off as good as you?
No. No.
Yeah, you should put something under that says, "Yes, I know it's green."
I'll take a silver marker.
Yeah.
Ish.
What do you think, Lily? How do you like it?
It's nice.
Yeah? I think it's pretty cool.
What do you think? Did we make it too pretty? I think that cannot be more two perfect opposite sides of a coin.
Yeah.
Trailmater and this.
Yeah, I know, right?
All right, so these are all the guys of Alcan Spring that were working on the truck.
The guys busted their butts, got the springs actually built in one day.
It was definitely pain. Yep.
It was a pain. Yeah, we fought every piece on there.
30 rivets to cut out with a torch, so.
We build the springs from start to finish with American-made steel right here in-house. All the tempering is done right here. Everything is done right here in-house with American-made steel and American-made product. It's the best of the best, or we don't use it. If I wouldn't put it on my vehicle, I wouldn't put it on anybody else's. We got the hangers all put on, springs put in, gave a little prayer that spring gods were on our side, and it turned out perfect. We couldn't have asked for any better.
Thank you, guys.
Job. Really appreciate Rory giving us the chance to do this. If anybody else is interested in some quality American-made leaf springs, be sure to let us know.
That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Seriously. As much as it made me twitch to not be working on my own rig, it was in the best hands it could have been in. Probably better than mine.
He texted me. He said Ford was a huge disappointment, not rushing you. Just saying.
that means
Just saying.
When that clutch let me down, like the first job after not having this truck, and I really needed it to carry a rig, I was like, oh. Come on, Mike, jump in.
All right. All right, first ride in the new paint job.
Dude. New truck.
Hey, Bart's here. Hey,
Yeah,
Bart.
Bart's been here. You want to go, Lily? Get in the middle. Good old exhaust leak still there.
That's our guy.
Dude, this truck is awesome.
It's so cool.
You mean awesomer?
Awesomer. Yeah, awesomer.
More awesomer. After driving it, what's your first impression?
Dude, this truck's awesome. I don't know if I'd say it rides better than Trailmater, but it rides pretty damn good.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited to find out.
It's all because of you, buddy. We appreciate it.
That is awesome.
One of our first ones right there.
Awesome.
You guys got merch?
We got merch, yep. Spreadshot.shirt/Helen Wolf Garage. Just go to Helen Wolf Garage or go to our channel, and it's always on the bottom down there.
No, this, like I said, this is way above and beyond my expectations. I was just thinking we could throw some lipstick on a pig and make it look good, but you guys...
Yeah, he was like, just sand it and paint it. And I was like, no.
I didn't even say sand it. You said sand it. Well, I told him if he makes it too pretty, I'm taking it up Pritchett. So...
What are you gonna do?
Probably gonna take it up Pritchett.
I want to be there. I want to see it
You
happen.
should just schedule a new paint job.
Yeah, every year we'll just get a new one in there. Yeah.
I think I can
The yearly touch-up.
I think I can pull it off. I could not be happier. I'm out of words right now.
We
I'm
were.
just happy.
I didn't sleep last night.
turns it, and it'll pick one front wheel and run across there, but it stays stable. That's why it's a dually for the width.
I love it. I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna take it to Mexico. You'll never see me again.
Never again.
You're the best, man. Get out there and get it.
Well, we just ordered our booth.
Did you just punt the camera?
Salt Lake Off-Road Expo.
You what? See it.
Lots of cameras.
We're not gonna miss that.
We got surround,
Yeah.
surround cameras.
Yeah.